Hey, Sports and Entertainment Marketing. So the plan for this morning is I want you to fill out this quick 5-question survey. This is all you have to do this morning, unless you want to start researching some more. But this is just to kind of get you thinking about what kinds of things you would like your project to support. So when we talked through all of this stuff on Wednesday, my emphasis was a lot on environmental causes because that's kind of what that project was working on. But you can do anything you want to. I mean, you can support, kids having access to like basketball clubs or like summer camps for whatever, or, anti-poverty or anti-racism or whatever fuels you, whatever you get excited about, you can forward that with your project. So this is just a form to help you identify what those things are that you care about. And today during class, I'm gonna talk with each one of you for just like a couple minutes in a separate chat. So it's not gonna be in front of everyone, just to kind of see what your compass is for your project. And we'll go from there. Cool. See you soon.